Which keyboard shortcut is used to cut selected text or objects? A. Ctrl plus X. B. Ctrl plus C. C. Ctrl plus V. D. Ctrl plus Z. Answer: A. Ctrl plus X. Which shortcut key combination is used to undo the last action? A. Ctrl plus X. B. Ctrl plus C. C. Ctrl plus Z. D. Ctrl plus V. Answer: C. Ctrl plus Z. What is the keyboard shortcut for copying selected text or objects? A. Ctrl plus X. B. Ctrl plus C. C. Ctrl plus V. D. Ctrl plus Z. Answer: B. Ctrl plus C. Which key combination is used to paste copied or cut text or objects? A. Ctrl plus X. B. Ctrl plus C. C. Ctrl plus V. D. Ctrl plus Z. Answer: C. Ctrl plus V. Which shortcut key is used to select all text or objects? A. Ctrl plus A. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Ctrl plus P. D. Ctrl plus E. Answer: A. Ctrl plus A. What is the keyboard shortcut for saving a document? A. Ctrl plus A. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Ctrl plus P. D. Ctrl plus E. Answer: B. Ctrl plus S. Which key combination is used to open the Find dialog box in most applications? A. Ctrl plus F. B. Ctrl plus O. C. Ctrl plus S. D. Ctrl plus Z. Answer: A. Ctrl plus F. Which shortcut key combination is used to close the current window or document? A. Ctrl plus C. B. Ctrl plus W. C. Ctrl plus V. D. Ctrl plus P. Answer: B. Ctrl plus W. What is the keyboard shortcut for printing a document? A. Ctrl plus P. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Ctrl plus C. D. Ctrl plus V. Answer: A. Ctrl plus P. Which key combination is used to switch between open applications or windows? A. Alt plus Tab. B. Ctrl plus Tab. C. Alt plus Shift. D. Ctrl plus Shift. Answer: A. Alt plus Tab. In most web browsers, what is the keyboard shortcut for opening a new tab? A. Ctrl plus N. B. Ctrl plus T. C. Ctrl plus W. D. Ctrl plus O. Answer: B. Ctrl plus T. What is the keyboard shortcut for refreshing or reloading a web page in most web browsers? A. Ctrl plus R. B. Ctrl plus F. C. Ctrl plus E. D. Ctrl plus S. Answer: A. Ctrl plus R. Which key combination is commonly used to switch between open tabs in most web browsers? A. Ctrl plus Tab. B. Alt plus Tab. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. D. Alt plus Shift plus Tab. Answer: A. Ctrl plus Tab. What is the keyboard shortcut for opening the Task Manager in Windows operating systems? A. Ctrl plus Escape. B. Ctrl plus Alt plus Del. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus Del. D. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Answer: D. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. In Microsoft Word, which key combination is used to align text to the center? A. Ctrl plus C. B. Ctrl plus E. C. Ctrl plus L. D. Ctrl plus R. Answer: B. Ctrl plus E.